Okay, so you did enter Roblox. You wanted to change your or reset your Roblox passcode. Either way, let's say for example that if you have, for example, a website, you have access directly through your Roblox and you wanted to change that, I'm going to be showing you how to do this process. The first thing is the standard resets. So if you are inside Roblox, if you do have access directly through your Roblox, what you want to do is to focus directly through your profile. I'm going to go for the engine that says settings. And inside settings, you want to focus for the element that says security. Directly here into security, usually it appears sometimes directly inside here. If it doesn't, you might be checking out directly into the element that says account info, and you go for the element that says passkeys. So usually it will be letting you change your actual passcode, and if it doesn't, usually what I do is to just go for the element that says logged out, and where it says logged in, let's say for example that I just typed my logged in Roblox, let's say that I just type my password. If this won't let me, usually what I do is to go for the element that says forgot password or the username. Now if you wanted to, if you have access to your email, you can choose the element that says email me a one-time code, and it will be sending for example an actual one-time code to the actual Gmail that you added, or an actual mail here. Just like that, it will be giving you a specific one-time code, and you can be now having access directly inside there. Once you have your one-time code, what you want to do is you just input that code directly inside here and you're good to go. If you still wanted to change your actual specific code, what you wanted to do is to close this, go for forgot password or the username, and here we'll be asking you enter an email or phone number that might be associated with your account. If you made a purchase before, you can try to link your actual email. So just like that, what I'll be doing here is just to type my actual mail, and it will be once again sending you a 6-digit verification code that we need to enter directly inside here. Just like that, it will be now asking us to enter a new specific passcode in order to continue. So enter the email or enter the actual phone number, you enter your new passcode, and you're actually good to go. Now, if you have high risk security enabled, Roblox might ask you for a second check, which is why you should always save your backup codes. If you can't get into your email, you can use one of these one-time codes to bypass a logout. So if there's no email, if there's no phone, if you're truly stuck with the linked info, you have to contact the actual support. To contact support, usually what I do is to open any tab and just type the word Roblox contact. Inside here have the contact of about.roblox.com. Here have the actual content. Let's go for accept all. Down below inside here, what you wanted to do is to look out for the element that says contact now, which is directly inside here. So we have how to play, customize, get safety, technical issue, account security, social media, billing, whatever. Let's go for account security. Directly here into account security, what you wanted to do is to just make sure that you have contact directly through Roblox. And if you still don't have access, what I can tell you just do is to access, try to contact them between x.com, which is before it was Twitter, but basically it's going to be really easy to contact them, and basically you can be having an actual chance to recover your Roblox account. You will be asked to enter as much information as you can possibly speaking about all your emails, all the passcode that you use. If you have purchases, you want to enable those. You have tickets, you want to give a lot of evidence, and this is the actual way to actually recover an actual account. So basically that will be actually it to recover your actual new or old Roblox websites. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you well next time.